Good day, M6251. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Melinda Banatorante. I am 38 years old. I have a living partner blessed with two kids, age 16 and 5 years old. I am a Catholic. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Um, since Tell me about your experiences as a helper.
I work as a helper since 2005 and 2007. I served four members of the family, including two adults, two kids, age 3 years old and 1 years old. I do household, ironing, cleaning, washing, and taking care of baby.
Okay, and you have also another experience in Tondo, Manila, right?
Yes.
Tell me about your experience there.
I work as a helper in Tondo, Manila since 2007 and 2009. I serve four members of the family, including two adults and two kids, age 4 and 1 year old.
In other household chores, you are the one who do the household chores.
Yes.
Like cleaning, cooking, washing, and ironing.
Yes.
So, you have 2 years, for 4 years experience as a helper here. You are first timer, right? And you are taking care of a baby which is 1 year old from Cavite and also in Tondo. So, two babies, you're taking
Yes.
care of a baby. So, you know how to prepare a milk for a baby, right?
Yes.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature, feeding the baby, and changing the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, you change the diaper, you feed the baby, and you also change the diaper, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry, um, doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call my employer to tell the baby is stop crying
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because Hong Kong is the safest place and the high salary to provide my family needs.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employers need me,
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
no, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I watch in YouTube and recipe books.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
No.
Why? If your employer prepared some food and give you some food to eat, it is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share a room with kids.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes.
Helping them go to bed, to the bathroom, it is okay with you?
Yes.
How about learning their language? If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English,
Yes.
it is okay with you. Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hi to my future employer, please hire me. I will do my best to take care of your family. And then I will treat your family like my family also. And
Can you promise that you will follow the rules and regulations of their
Yes.
house? Okay, thank you very much,
Thank-
Miss Melinda. Thank you.